So today we're doing an oil change, but this video is not about an oil change. What this video is about is what today's video is about is when should you do it yourself, or when should you pay somebody to do it for you? But there are a few questions that you need to ask yourself when you're deciding whether you are or you are not going to do it yourself. And here are some such questions, like, for instance, do you have more time than money, or more money than time? And another one of these questions could be, do you have the know-how? If you have the know-how, then you should possibly proceed in doing it. But on the other hand, if you have more money than time, then of course you want to pay somebody to do it for you. But in my case, if you have more time than money, then you definitely want to do it yourself, if you have the know-how. So those are the questions that you want to ask yourself next time you go to do it yourself. Do you have more time than money? Do you have more money than time? Do you know what you're doing and how to do it? That's probably the main three questions you want to ask yourself. Alright, so that's it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you take my advice. If not, so be it. Some people just like to do stuff even if they have more money than time. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.